children, Sai Ram. Hi, how are you all? I'm also fine children, thank you. So you are staying at home? With whom you stay at home, bacha? Yes, with your mummy, your daddy and your sister or a brother. But some children stay with their grandparents also. Yes, so today's topic that we are going to learn is the home of animals. We are going to learn the home of the animals. So let's get started. Now let's see which is the first animal waiting for us. Who is he, children? He does like that. Yes, he is a tiger. And what you can see behind is his home. What is that? Cave. What is that? Cave. Now say tiger, cave. Now I'll ask the question. Now you will repeat after me. Same with the answer. Where does a tiger live? The answer is a tiger lives in a cave. Can we repeat one more time? A tiger lives in a cave. Very good. Now the next animal is waiting for us. Now let's go. Now he is looking at you and smiling. Can you tell me who is he? Yes, it's a rat. Who is he? A rat. Where he is going? He is going to his home. What is that? Is a hole. What it is? He lives in a hole. H-O-L-E. Hole. A rat always lives in a hole. You must have seen whenever a rat comes to your house, he always makes a hole. So that is the passing way for him to come in and out. Say, where does a rat live? A rat lives in a hole. Repeat. A rat lives in a hole. Now the next animal is again waiting for us. Yes, the king of the jungle. Yes, lion. He is the king of the jungle. So where does he live? He lives in a den. He lives in a den. Where does a lion live? A lion lives in a den. Can we repeat, children? Yes. A lion lives in a den. Now, can you guess the next animal? Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Yes, you guessed it correct. A dog. Where does a dog live? A dog lives in a kennel. You can see it looks like a house, but it's for dog only and it is kennel. It is kennel. Where does a dog live? A dog lives in a kennel. Can we repeat, children, one more time? A dog lives in a kennel. Now, can you guess which is the next animal? You can see them in the morning. They get up early in the morning and start singing. Yes, it's birds who sings in the morning, and they are the first to wake up. Birds. You must have seen birds flying here and there, collecting all things and keeping it in their nest. Have you seen nest, children? They always make nest on the trees, and on the highest branch they will make it. So bird lives in a nest. Where does bird lives? A bird lives in a nest. Can we repeat one more time, children? Where does a bird live? A bird lives in a nest. You must have seen many birds making a nest. So now which is the next animal coming? He makes a sound like this. Nah, nah. Yeah. It's a horse. It's a horse. You know, na children, you can ride on the horse, but at night he has to go to his home. That is a stable. The horse lives in a stable. In a stable. They go with us to help and then back to their stable. Where does a horse live? A horse lives in a stable. A horse lives in a stable. Can we repeat? A horse lives in a stable. Now, can you guess the next animal? I'll just start the rhyme and you have to continue. Baba, black. Yes, the next animal is a sheep. Who is she? Sheep. See, a sheep is living in a pen. She lives in a pen. See, there are boundary wall made for them so that all the sheep are in one place. So a sheep lives in a pen. Where does a sheep live? A sheep lives in a pen. Can we repeat, children? A sheep lives in a pen. Now the next animal, again I'll give you one hint and you have to guess it. That animal gives us egg. Yes. Hen. Hen. Now this hen lives in a coop. Where does this hen live? A hen lives in a coop. Can we repeat, children? Where does a hen live? A hen lives in a coop. A hen lives in a coop. So the next I will ask, who gives us honey? No, not your mummy. From where we get honey? From the honeybees. We get honey from this honeybees. And you know, children, where they live? They live in a hive. They live in a hive. So where does a honeybee live? A honeybee lives in a hive. A honeybee lives in a hive. Again, it's time to guess the next animal. He loves to eat carrot. Yes, you are correct. Very good. It's a rabbit. You know, rabbit lives under. They always live under the grass. See, on the picture also you can see they always live under the grass. What is this called? Burrow. They always make a hole inside and just go and stay there. It's a burrow. A rabbit lives in a burrow. Where does a rabbit live? A rabbit lives in a burrow. A rabbit lives in a burrow. And now the last animal, I'll give you a hint. She makes a sound like this. Moo, moo. And one more hint. She gives us milk. Yes, you guessed it correct. It's a cow. Where does a cow live? A cow lives in a shed. Now you must have seen in your village, or you have seen where you can see all the cows are staying. They always live in a shed. They lives in a shed. Where does a cow live? A cow lives in a shed. Can we repeat, children? A cow lives in a shed. Now it's time for the activity. Now let's get started. So today we are going to make a house with this paper. You can take any color. I have taken green color. You can take any color. We'll join these two edges. Press it properly. Open it. Do it from the other side also. Then again open it. Now fold it till here, till the middle line. Again do the folding same. Now it will look like this. Turn over. Again do the folding till the middle line. Do from this side also. Now this will look like a square. Now you can see this opening, both the sides. We will twist it here like this with your finger and just press it. Same do on the other side, just twist it and your house is ready. So today we are going to make a house with this paper. You can take any color. I have taken green color. You can take any color. We'll join these two edges. Press it properly. Open it. Do it from the other side also. Then again open it. Now fold it till here, till the middle line. Again do the folding same. Now it will look like this. Turn over. Again do the folding till the middle line. Do from this side also. Now this will look like a square. Now you can see this opening both the sides. We will twist it here like this with your finger and just press it. Same do on the other side, just twist it and your house is ready. Activity, it's easy, right? Bye my dear children.